Elon Musk says manufacturing will be Tesla's long-term competitive strength. Tesla CEO Elon Musk just replied to a tweet with a statement that sums up why Tesla is so far ahead of other automakers, whether they be gas or electric powered. Tesla has superior manufacturing. A Tesla Model 3 is made over 3 times as fast as a Volkswagen ID.3. Welcome to the Torque News channel, friends. Please, subscribe for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up if you find this report informative. Jerem Johnson from Torque News Tesla reporting team writes today that Tesla has a huge manufacturing advantage and most other automakers are too asleep at the wheel to realize this, and they won't until it's too late. Automotive news provider Alex Avoigt commented today on Twitter saying according to Business Insider sources Herbert and brand CEO Ralf Brandstätter called Thursday all 120 top managers in Wolfsburg together for a crisis meeting. Stated that compared to Tesla and Chinese manufacturers, VW is too expensive, slow and with low productivity, not competitive. To this, Tesla CEO Elon Musk replied and said manufacturing will be Tesla's long-term competitive strength. Volkswagen is starting to wake up. But it may still be too late. I will paraphrase what was heard about the VW group and share some of my conclusions afterward. This was according to various buy sources. According to Business Insider sources, Herbert and brand CEO Ralf Brandstätter called a crisis meeting with all 120 top managers at the company on Thursday, August 30, 2021. Stated the following. Compared to Tesla and Chinese manufacturers, VW is too expensive, slow, unproductive, and not competitive. We need to take up the fight against Grunheit. If everything remains as it is, VW will no longer be competitive. We have a great responsibility for this site. We have to embrace the new competition. It is urgently necessary that a new course is set in Wolfsburg. Future competition with Tesla's new Gigafactory will be brutal. The electric car pioneer sets new standards in car production. A Model 3 is built in 10 hours, more than 3 times as fast as a VW ID.3 in Zwickau. This puts Tesla in another dimension in terms of productivity and profitability. We need a will to live and a jolt at the site. Trinity has to take the site to a new competitive level, has to revolutionize it. Also with new processes. Note, the board says the designs for the project so far don't go far enough. Also said. In the end, it's also about the jobs we have here. Mr. or the supervisory board or the employee representatives don't decide about the jobs. It is the customer who decides, and the customer buys the product that offers more quality, more features for a better price. That's why we have to take up the fight, attack and not let Grunheit ruin our location. I'm not sure Volkswagen will be able to catch up to Tesla. There's something very true about life, progress, and getting results. And that is whatever you incentivize will happen. What is the incentive for the CEO of VW, and the members and managers of Volkswagen to innovate with extreme urgency? I would argue that there is no incentive in place, or they would be doing it right now. There isn't enough of a reward in place to cause change. The same goes for other automakers. If there was really an incentive to innovate and high rewards for doing so, then those companies would be doing it. There is a reason Elon Musk is delivering and is getting such large options of stock based on performance goals related to Tesla growing its market cap, revenue, profits, etc. Because if he succeeds in doing so, he gets rewarded. It's a very simple system. I highly doubt that any other CEO of any other auto company has a rewards package with stated goals of growth and market cap like Elon Musk does. It's one of the many things being done differently by Elon Musk and Tesla. Tesla's manufacturing advantage. Tesla has a strong manufacturing advantage. The fact that a Model 3 can be made 3 times faster than a VW ID.3 is staggering. What about a Model Y, which can be made even faster than a Model 3 with front and rear castings? What about when newer Gigafactories come online and the $25,000 Tesla Model 2 is released? I've been reading articles about VW's plan to overtake Tesla in 2026 with a project called Trinity. Well, where is it? Where will Tesla be in 2026? What are the odds that somehow, VW just magically leapfrogs Tesla, when the only game in town is electric vehicles? Tesla will continue to improve manufacturing because that is their culture. They innovate with extreme urgency and no other company can keep up. What do you think about Tesla's manufacturing? Do they have an advantage? Is Elon Musk's compensation package the reason Tesla is successful? Leave your comments below, share the article with friends and tweet it out to your followers. As Tesla's stock currently continues to rise along with its current market cap valuation approaching $800 billion, it's safe to say the American EV automaker is doing okay. Tesla currently produces 4 electric vehicles at its various factory locations around the world. These gigafactories also produce battery and solar technologies for the brand. With a semi-truck, Cybertruck, and second-generation Roadster already confirmed, plus goals to produce a $25,000 model, Tesla is continuously growing. If you've ever wondered where Tesla vehicles and their components are made, today is your lucky day. Below is a list of everything you need to know about Tesla's factory locations and where they are. This includes the operational factories that already exist, those in construction, and even some speculation about where the automaker might be breaking ground next. Current Tesla factories. Tesla currently operates out of 4 fully operational facilities. 3 are in the United States, and 1 is in China. Let's start with the original factory and move forward chronologically from there, shall we? Fremont Factory. Tesla's Fremont Factory location sits outside of San Francisco and is the OG of its EV production. It currently offers 5.3 million square foot of space on 370 acres of land and houses over 10,000 Tesla employees. According to Tesla's website. Prior to Tesla, the facility was home to General Motors from 1962 to 1982, then GM and Toyota's new United Motor Manufacturing Incorporated, NUMMI, from 1984 until the partnership ended in 2009. Tesla purchased the facility in 2010 and extensively remodeled it before the first Model S rolled off the line in June 2012. While Tesla has indeed expanded its factory location presence worldwide, the Fremont factory remains the mothership. At this state-of-the-art location, Tesla still builds the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, along with a majority of each EV's components. While the automaker does receive various parts from suppliers around the world, several of them have opened facilities nearby to be closer to this Tesla factory location. Tesla already has, and continues to expand, its global presence in manufacturing, but so far, these gigafactories have been erected with more niche production objectives in mind. The name comes from the unit of measurement representing billions. Wonder if Tesla had this word in mind when it first went public. Let's dig into Tesla's current gigafactories and their locations. Gigafactory 1, Giga, Nevada. Gigafactory 1, in Sparks, Nevada outside of Reno is the first of Tesla's growing assemblage of production facilities. This gigafactory produces electric motors and lithium-ion battery packs for the Model 3 sedan. It also manufactures Tesla's energy storage products Powerwall and PowerPack, of which it inherited from the Fremont factory in 2015. There have also been recent rumors about the automaker expanding its Tesla semi-manufacturing to Giga, Nevada. This would likely still be in addition to semi-production at Tesla's upcoming Austin, TX factory location. Gigafactory 2, Giga, New York. Unlike the other factories on this list, Giga New York in Buffalo is focused on solar energy rather than EVs. This gigafactory began construction in 2014 and was secured by Tesla through its acquisition of Solar City in 2016. According to Tesla's website, in 2017, Tesla began production of solar cells and modules at Gigafactory 2, a 1.2 million square foot facility in Buffalo, New York. In 2019, Tesla added new production lines that will support electrical components for supercharger and energy storage products. Gigafactory 3, Giga, Shanghai. Giga Shanghai is the newest gigafactory that is currently operational, and the second factory to assemble actual Tesla vehicles. This 9.3 million square foot gigafactory currently hosts the final assembly of Tesla's Model 3 and production of the Model Y. Originally beginning construction in 2018, Giga Shanghai was already beginning initial production on the cheapest Tesla, the Model 3 sedan, in the fall of 2019. Since then, the size of this gigafactory has more than doubled to support the production of Tesla's newest vehicle, the Model Y. Tesla appears to be expanding its footprint even further in its China location. The automaker is looking to hire Chinese designers and implement a full design studio in the country to create Tesla vehicles specifically for China. That could include the aforementioned $25,000 Tesla. Upcoming Tesla factories. The following 2 gigafactories have not officially had a giant bottle of Tesla tequila smashed on them yet, but they will be open soon. Tesla's Giga Berlin and Giga Texas locations have both already broken ground and are being built as you read this. Here's what we can expect from each of the 2 newest Gigas to join Tesla's global block party. Gigafactory 4, Giga Berlin. After being announced in 2019 by CEO Elon Musk, construction began last summer in the municipality of Grünheide outside of central Berlin. Per Tesla's website, Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg will be the most advanced high-volume electric vehicle production plant in the world. Starting with Model Y production at launch, we will establish original vehicle design and engineering for worldwide markets out of Germany. While the initial production of Giga Berlin will focus on the Model Y, the massive construction is being erected with the goal of taking on future Tesla vehicle production. The automaker has a goal of eventually reaching a 500,000 annual vehicle capacity from this Tesla factory location. Tesla's first brick-and-mortar production factory in Europe has seen tremendous progress so far and was expected to begin operations in July of 2021. Gigafactory 5, Giga Texas. Gigafactory 5 is the most recent of Tesla's confirmed production facilities to be announced. In fact, Giga Texas, as it's being called, was not even confirmed by Tesla as a factory location until July of 2020. Nevertheless, it is currently under construction in Austin, TX. Elon Musk has said that when Giga Texas is complete, it will become an ecological paradise. What we know so far is that the construction site sits on nearly 2,500 acres, and Tesla chose Austin because it was looking for a location more than halfway toward the East Coast. The goal of Gigafactory 5 is to produce both the Model 3 and Model Y for easier distribution to the eastern US. Furthermore, Giga Texas is planned to be the main factory for both the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi. Most recently, some of the larger buildings on the Giga Texas campus are starting to go up, and Tesla is already posting job opportunities.